Hello everyone, my name is Sam. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove acne in Photoshop. Before getting started, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button to get my future uploads. It's free. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. Let's drag the photo to the canvas. If you need to zoom in the image, press the Alt or Alt key on your keyboard while scrolling your mouse wheel upward. Alright, now what we're gonna do first is to reduce the red patches around the face area using the Hue Saturation Adjustment layer. And then we are going to get rid of the acne using the Spot Healing Brush tool. So let's unlock the layer first and change its name to Original. Then click this icon and select Hue Saturation. Because we are going to reduce the redness around the face, so click this drop down and select Reds. The trick is by sliding the Hue Saturation sliders until all areas of the face get affected, more or less like this, and slide this gauge until you see the color change affects only the redness instead of all areas. Don't worry about this area and around the lips as well, because we can exclude them later. And now let's set the hue and saturation values back to 0. Then play with the hue slider until you see the redness around the face got reduced, maybe up to this point. And play with the saturation slider as well. Slide the lightness gauge a little bit until you're happy with the changes. You might also want to try to experiment to get other settings for better results for your image. Alright, I think this is pretty good. Close the properties box. If you want to see the before and after redness reduction, play with this eye icon. So, this time we are going to exclude some unwanted areas from color changing, such as around the lips and some other areas. So make sure the layer mask is selected, activate the brush tool, set the hardness amount to around 40, make sure the foreground color is black. If you don't, click this icon to change it, or click the foreground color box and pick black. Now play with your square brackets key to reduce or enlarge the brush size. Then start brushing around the unwanted area from color changing and around the lips as well. Brush around the nose a little bit and some other parts. Now select the original image layer. This time we are going to remove the acne, so activate the Spot Healing Brush tool, set the hardness amount to around 40%, or if you set its amount to 0%, when you brush around the acne, it will leave a patch like this. Or if you set the hardness amount to 100%, it will completely remove the parts you have brushed. But as you can see, it leaves some kind of distortions. If you made a mistake like this, press Ctrl Alt G to undo it. So the ideal hardness amount may be around 40% to 50%. Now play with your square bracket case to set the brush size a bit larger than the acne or the parts you are going to remove. Then start brush on it, then go to the other parts. Set the brush size a bit larger than the acne and brush it, and so on. If you are going to remove a lot of acne or patches from your photo, it could take some time, so please be patient in this step. And now, if you need to remove some minimal patches and refine the face surface, make the brush size small and set the hardness amount to 0%. Then take your time to brush around the face surface as much as you need. And this is the result. So let's take a look at the before and after acne removal. First, change the original name to Acne and Patches Removal. Then drag the original file to the canvas again and place it into the very bottom of the layers panel and change its name to Original. Then press and hold the Ctrl key while selecting these two layers and click this folder icon to group them. Change the group name to Acne and Redness Removal. So play with this eye icon to look at the before and after acne removal. This is before and after. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial very helpful, please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more future uploads. And as always, thanks for watching this video and see you.